you're playing media material. You can play them like this, okay, it's running, blah, 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 but it actually causes stuttering and it's not displayed correctly on the system. So basically, you create this projection setup for each media material. So you open the projection setup, it's using our stage setting, which we just edited. So don't have to touch this anymore. But instead, you drag and drop okay, your media into this place. So holding on and dragging it here. It tells that basically our material is 2D. Can also be one of these 2.5D layers. Or if it doesn't know that it's a 360 footage, 180 footage, like cylindrical panorama or something like that, you need to change it here. But here, okay, we're just doing 2D, and we want to use the frustum in our studio to kind of show how the camera is projected. We might have, this is probably not done very well yet in the studio, but basically you can use a certain camera profile. So this is like a black magic profile. So it takes in consideration the sensor and the lens and whatnot. And then we can show the frustum highlight also on the wall. I think we can also manipulate this later. The last one is that we want to enable at some point, at least, the tracker. So in the studio, this Live FX Studio version offers many alternatives, but the HTC Vive Mars communicates basically either live link or 3D. So this is the one that we need to be using in our studio. You can also configure this later. So I can enable it, we cannot enable it. So if everything's correct, you see maybe this kind of image. So you have your media file projected on the screen, and this smaller image is the frustum that we see.